So before we get started, FedEx gave out water bottles that were green, and I decided to use it today. So when I was prepping everything, getting the green screen up, I forgot that this does this. Hello, one and all, Ryker here. It is. It has been half a year. June is finally done, and we're now in July. Now, this is going to be my half year report and my estimate report for the rest of the year. And I'll let you guys know right now, I did my estimates 5 times just to make sure that I had the correct amount and that I was doing things properly. So let's get the reports that I have done out of the way. So let's move over to my yearly report. All right. So as you guys know, I was not up in the towers basically at all for all of June, which is why you see it in this black margin. This way it's kept separate and that I know what I'm doing, but I will give you guys the adjusted amount when I get to it. So for January, we did 183 miss sorts. For February, we did 1,349 miss sorts. For March, we did 1,500 miss sorts. For April, we did 1,129 miss sorts, and for May, we did 1,136 miss sorts. And for June, I estimate we did 1,201 miss sorts. Now, as it stands for weekday, and this is all for weekdays only, we did 2,336,900 packages within, and that's including June there, with a miss sorts being 7,221 miss sorts. Oh dear. Actually, I forgot to give the percentage rate for that, so give me a moment. All right, so yeah, 0.31%. That much has not changed all that much. All right, now we get into very fun guesswork of mine. You guys don't know how long this took me. Considering that this is the 4th and I'm supposed to have my weekly report up by now. Yeah, it took me a bit. So this is for the start of July. 183 days, 26 weeks, 52 weekends, 26 Saturdays, 26 Sundays. For July, I estimate we do 4,709,000 packages. For August, I estimate we are going to be doing 437,000 packages. For September, we're doing 4,507,000 packages. For October, we're doing 4,709,000 packages. For November, we're doing 902,000 packages. And for December, we're doing 690,000 packages, for a total of 3,034,000 packages. Now, I also did some estimations on our miss sort rate. From July to October, I don't estimate that we're going to be going up or down drastically anytime soon, so I kept it at 0.32. However, in November and December, I upped it to 0.38. So for the combination of July through October, for a 0.32, I estimate we're going to be missing 5,926 packages. And for November and December combined with a 0.38, I estimate we're going to be missing 4,491 packages. Oh man. Now, I also did the weekends as well from this point forward. Don't worry, I will get to the rest of the weekends at my real end of year report. But I estimate for Saturdays and Sundays for the rest of the year, we're going to be doing 715,000 packages. And since we do actually go slower and there's not much flow rate that happens on weekends, I gave you guys a 0.20% miss sort rate, and that will give you guys, and we will be missing 1,430 packages. Now, for all of it, our total factory sort for the rest of the year is 3,749,000 packages. And our total miss sorts that I estimate is going to be 11,848 packages. And that actually goes to an estimate of 0.32. We need to start getting ready for peak season now. We have too many new faces. We're experiencing call-offs like never before. And people need to be cross-trained from both unload and from the van lines. Because we're going up in numbers. Like for most of the year, we barely made 400,000 packages. And then in June, we did 421,500. It's gonna get crazy. We're not ready for peak season for when it actually comes by, and that's in 4 months. Oh yeah, I also estimated how much I'm gonna be traveling by bike, and I had the number here somewhere. Give me a moment. All right, so 157 days because I calculated that for the month of minus how many does December have? It has 4. Okay. All right. So 179 days times 16 because it's 8 miles to and from. That is 2,864 miles. That's a lot of bike riding. Anyway, that is my half a year report and my predictions for the rest of the year. Let's see if we can prove myself wrong in this. And you guys are already doing that because the one day that I was up in July so far up in the towers, you guys did a 0.15, if I remember correctly. So yeah, we're already adjusting for the rest of the year, hopefully. So yeah, this is Ryker telling you to have a good day and a good night. And to my managers and supervisors, you know where to find me.